No clear direction in markets today, with bulls and bears fighting for control. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete Forex market briefing for May 30th. Currency markets are being driven by a complex mix of central bank policy, geopolitical risk, and shifting growth expectations. Let us break it all down. Here is a snapshot of how the major currency pairs are trading today. Euro to US dollar is trading at 1.17, gaining 0.35% on the session. The world's most traded currency pair is tracking ECB versus Fed rate expectations. Pound sterling to US dollar is trading at 1.35, gaining 0.3% on the session. Sterling is sensitive to UK economic data and Bank of England commentary. US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 159.27, gaining 0% on the session. The yen remains in focus as Bank of Japan policy normalization continues. USD SGD is trading at 0.7840, gaining 0% on the session. The Singapore dollar reflects broader Asian FX sentiment and trade flows. Australian dollar to US dollar is trading at 0.7186, gaining 0.74% on the session. The Aussie dollar tracks commodity prices and Chinese growth signals. US dollar to Chinese yuan is trading at 0.1478, gaining 0.19% on the session. The yuan reflects PBOC policy and US-China trade dynamics. Now let us look at the macro forces behind today's currency moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month, Business Insider. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all, Business Insider. The move in the dollar reflects reports that escalating tensions in the Middle East have boosted the US dollar's safe haven appeal, while hawkish Federal Reserve expectations have kept gold hovering around the $4,500 mark. Moo. Our near-term view on Australian dollar to US dollar. Australian dollar to US dollar is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the $0.7330 resistance and $0.7042 support as the boundaries of the current range. Currency markets can move fast and unexpectedly. Central bank surprises, geopolitical shocks, and data prints are the key risks to monitor. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post fresh analysis every single morning. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the best ones in future videos. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your Forex briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily currency coverage.